So this question is a translate word problem question. We know that just given the sheer length of the question itself. So I just want to read each sentence, one sentence at a time, basically, and write down any quantitative information. So the first sentence says, Leo goes to a packing store to buy containers and tape. So I know that I have C and T, containers and tape. Leo has $15. All right, so he has $15. Just going to write that down. Each container costs $1.87. So I don't know how many containers he's buying right now, but $1.87 times the number of containers will let us know how much money was spent on the containers. And each roll of tape costs $2.40. So I know, again, I don't know how many rolls of tape are being purchased, but $2.40 times the number of rolls of tape, T, would equal how much was spent on the rolls of tape. The next sentence says, which inequality represents the relationship between the number of containers, C, and the number of rolls of tape, T, Leo can buy? And that's where this $15 comes in. So he can, if he's buying containers, he's spending $1.87 per container, plus he's buying rolls of tape, so $2.40 times roll of tape. And then this has to be less than or equal to 15. Right? Because it cannot be greater than 15 because he only has $15. So this must be my equation here, or my inequality, I should say. So let's see what the answer choice matches with that. It looks like it is choice A, right? Choice A, 1.87C plus 2.40T is less than or equal to 15. So hopefully that made sense on how we translated this word problem, got all of this data out of it.